Imagine standing in line for coffee, and in 10 seconds, you can calculate when your money will double, triple, or slowly disappear. No spreadsheets, no calculators, no finance degree, just two numbers, 72 and 114. Once you understand them, every percentage you see, interest rates, inflation, investments, suddenly turns into a timeline for your life. And here's the scary part. These numbers reveal whether your money is growing quietly in the background or being destroyed without you noticing. Let me show you how it works. Most people struggle with financial decisions because percentages are abstract. If someone tells you investment A returns 8%, investment B returns 12%, your brain says, okay, 12% is slightly better. It feels like a small difference, just 4% more. But the problem is this: money doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows exponentially. And humans are terrible at understanding exponential growth. Our brains evolved to understand things like a car moving toward us, a fire spreading, a predator chasing us. But exponential growth? That's why most people underestimate both opportunity and danger in finance. So we need a shortcut that converts percentages into something we actually understand: time. Here's the first trick. Take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate. The result tells you how many years it takes for your money to double. Let's try a few quick examples. If an investment returns 6% per year, 72 divided by 6 equals 12. Your money doubles every 12 years. Now increase the return slightly to 8%. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Now your money doubles every 9 years. That tiny 2% improvement just saved 3 years. And this is where compounding becomes powerful. Imagine investing $10,000. At 6%, after 24 years, you double twice. 10,000 to 20,000 to 40,000. But at 12%, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years. That means in 24 years, you double 4 times. 10,000 to 20,000 to 40,000 to 80,000 to 160,000. Same time period, 4 times the wealth. That's the difference compounding creates. But this rule isn't just about growing money. It also reveals how money disappears. Let's talk about credit cards. Many credit cards charge around 24% interest. Run the rule. 72 divided by 24 equals 3. That means your debt doubles every 3 years if you don't pay it down. A $5,000 balance becomes $5,000 to $10,000 to $20,000. And it gets worse, because the same rule also exposes the hidden thief of wealth: inflation. If inflation averages 3%, divide 72 by 3. You get 24 years. That means in 24 years, your money buys half as much as it does today. Your bank balance might look the same, but your lifestyle just got cut in half. That's why simply saving money isn't enough. Your money has to grow faster than inflation. Now let's talk about something most people never calculate: tripling your money. Instead of 72, use 114. Divide 114 by the interest rate. That tells you how long it takes to triple your money. Example, if you earn 8% annually, 114 divided by 8 equals 14 years. So your investment triples in about 14 years. Here's where compounding becomes mind-blowing. Let's say you invest $10,000 at age 25. At roughly 10% returns, by 36, 30,000. By 47, 90,000. By 58, 270,000. Notice what happened. The biggest growth happens later, not earlier, because compounding accelerates over time. That's why the most powerful investing strategy isn't timing the market. It's simply starting early and staying invested. Here are 3 simple ways to start using these rules today. First, translate percentages into time. Whenever you see an interest rate or return, ask how long until this doubles. Just divide 72 by the rate. Instant clarity. Second, check if your money is beating inflation. If inflation is around 4%, your investments must earn more than 4% just to maintain purchasing power. Anything less means your money is quietly shrinking. Third, use it to detect bad investments. If someone promises huge returns, do the math. If the rule says your money doubles in less than 3 years, that's a massive red flag. Legitimate investments rarely grow that fast without huge risk. This simple calculation can save you from scams and bad decisions. At the end of the day, wealth isn't really about money, it's about time. Every percentage you see represents years of your life. The rule of 72 shows you how fast money can grow. The rule of 114 shows you how wealth multiplies. And inflation shows you how quickly money can disappear. So next time you see an interest rate, don't just see a percentage. Do the division. Because once you start thinking in timelines instead of percentages, you stop guessing about your financial future and start designing it.